you want to create enormous wealth, you need to know the system rules of money. If you are someone who is looking to achieve big dreams in your life, this video is not for someone who don't take action. Number one, pay yourself first. Understand this, no matter how much you earn, if you forget to pay yourself first, I am sure you don't have money at the end to pay yourself. I'm talking about majority of the people. The reason is very simple. Your income is less and your expenses. So I hope you got my point. Acha, tell me in comment section how many times you got success in paying yourself in last. So getting back to point, do you know what the major problem you face with money is? Not investing in yourself. Number two, invest in yourself. The only return that beats the stock market, or you can say the only investment option that can provide you infinite return, is investing in yourself. You can't deny this rule. If you seriously want to create huge wealth, in order to earn more, first you need to learn more. And before that, you have to unlearn the wrong things about money. So, unlearn wrong perspective about money, then learn right things about money, and finally you earn money. Keep this in mind. Most of the time you think, na, what should we do? Save or invest money? Number three, first save and then do invest. Listen, you can't expect yourself to become rich with only saving. Sooner or later you need to agree with this. So better agree now. Getting back to point where I was, first save and then invest. Put aside some amount of money and then invest that money. Because savings are like addition and investing are like multiplication. Now it is in your hand what you choose. If you are someone who spend more, next point is for you. Number four, spend less than you earn. Oh man, I feel like because your calculation are too weak than mine. And sometimes I feel like if you know you earn 30,000 per month, how can you expect or how can you do the expenses more than 30,000? But wait, from where you get that extra money? Oh, by friends, relatives, credit card, right? You can't do this blunder. Spend less than you earn. Otherwise, forget about becoming rich. In order to become rich, you need to save and invest. But here you are spending more than you are earning. How can you expect yourself to become rich? If you think working for money will help you, you are totally wrong. Number five, don't work for money. Let's tackle this point with small story. If you want to catch the rat, what will you do? You will say simple, we'll make trap so that the rat get into that, right? In the same way, you need to make something instead of chasing money. Understand everything in the universe is interconnected with each other and works like that. Number six, know the game of wealth creation. Do you think you are good in your academy and you think that you will be also good at money? You went school and colleges to learn about money? No, na. Tell me one thing, how can you expect yourself to pass in that subject without knowing anything about that subject or the syllabus? I hope you got my point. Shall we move to the next point? Number seven, emergency fund is your best friend. If you are someone who knows what is going to happen, then you can avoid this. And I'm sure none of you know what is going to happen next. So, emergency fund will be the best friend for you in any uncertainty. Number eight, create at least one passive income source. If you are thinking that you got one job and you will live your whole life on that one income source, no, you can't. This is your worst financial decision you can ever take. Number nine, marry the right partner. Well, the only advice that I can give on this is your life partner can be the reason for your today financial number, whether you are rich or poor. Number 10, bad debt can be villain for you. This you can understand in much better way who have debt, how it feels like. Understand bad debt will not give you space to enjoy your life. I said bad debt. Okay. Acha, tell me one thing. You love money or hate money? And you will be like, have a look next point. Number 11, you need to love money. You can't expect someone to be with you if you directly or indirectly hate that person. In the same way, you can't expect money to be with you if you hate it. So better love money to become wealthy or hate money to live your whole life how it is going. Choice is yours. If you also borrow money to invest money, congratulations. you are not going to be rich. Number 12. Don't borrow money to invest. Do you seriously know that the money that you borrowed for investing will definitely going to give you positive return? Listen, no investment in the world is risk free. Either it has less risk, moderate risk, or high risk. So, by chance you lose your money, what you will say to them? Second thing, for how many times you will invest borrowed money? If you don't have money to invest, work hard. Save more rather than asking everyone for help. Number 13, understand the game of compounding. If you think that if you don't invest money, so you don't need to understand compounding, you are absolutely wrong. I mean, you need to understand compounding works in every aspect of life. If you improve 1% every day in any segment, compounding works. And if you decline your progress by 1% every day, then also compounding works. Rich people know this very well. Number 14, money don't change people. It's true. You will say no. I'm saying it is true. And not only I am saying, you can ask any successful person. Understand, money reveals the inner character of that person. Topic close. Number 15, personal finance will make your life easy. The only solution to your all money related problem is personal finance. Learn more about personal finance. Where are you going? You can watch my others video which will help you.